So you like animal prints, but you're not really a beige person. Neither am I. So why not try an animal print in fresh colors? Now this is a leopard print. It's called Catwalk, but we've sort of made it more transitional because it's sort of watercolor. If you've never used wallpaper, a bathroom is great because it introduces you to get used to a pattern, right? And what I love about here, we've got the beadboard halfway up. So it's only 4 feet of the wallpaper. And you come in, it's fresh and clean, perfect for this room because we've got white subway tile in the shower. You're not limited to just doing blue tiles with blue and white wallpaper. You can do pink like I've done. You can do coral, blue and orange. You can do navy, or you can do white. You can get other colors, right? It comes in blue and green, natural like the cheetah, gray and white, and green and white. Now we also make fabrics with them. These 4 colorways are available in fabric, and we've done some fun things like the pink and orange, aqua and green, very fresh, and then the classics blue and white and green and white. This spot print is easy to mix with other patterns, so if you had it in a guest bedroom on a feature wall, you could easily have some smaller pillows in the blue and white on the bed, and then you could pop in some florals and stripes just to add in some depth and different types of patterns. So see the variety that you can do when you're decorating? They're endless. Go to daisybentdesigns.com to get more ideas and to find these wallpapers and fabrics so you can transform your powder room or your guest room instantaneously. Remember, go bold and make your house into a home with wallpaper.